This is Patrick Devine, Fred Cawthorn's Java class, week 2, and we're using the scanner to get input from the user. The first line of code we have up here, we're telling the program that we're going to import this predefined, already made tool that's within the program, this utility that's already there for you to use. We're going to import it into the program. And the next line of code down here under the public static void is we're creating a scanner object. We're bringing the scanner into the program, and we're telling it that it's going to be taking input in. The next line of code right here is we're telling the program to first output what's in parentheses here, username. So at first it's going to prompt the user with a question. That's the system output print line. The next thing down under here, you're telling the program that it's going to be getting a string value. It's going to be getting a word value. We're calling it username, and we're telling it to read the input you get from the data, and that's going to be equal to the username. The next line of code here, we have system out. We're going to have the username plus the username value, and that's going to be the output. So we'll run the program to go through it. So we first click it, and you're getting this prompt right here. The system is outputting enter username. So enter my name, and when I hit enter, it takes the value that I input, puts it equal to the username, and outputs the username is Patrick. So that's week 2 code. I'm gonna upload the video now.